Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to create a simple spanner in Solidworks with the help of iso 2D drawing. So we have 2D drawing and we will create this simple 3D model in Solidworks, and later we will create this 2D drawing for a spanner. So let's start to create this simple tutorial for the beginners. Now let's start to create a spanner 17 by 13 millimeter. So let's go to File, New, Part. Okay, now we are in the SolidWorks interface. So this is the background, we will keep plain white. Now this is our 2D drawing. So first we will create this bigger one and smaller one, the distance between 110 millimeter, and the outer diameter 32 here, and here it's 29 millimeter. Okay, and this gap here 11 millimeter. Okay, then we will make separately this one 17 millimeter 2 type, and let's, so here we will choose top plane, or even though you can directly go to sketch top plane. That's it. Now let me draw two circles. Even though connect via center line. Now click this line and make rotation horizontal. That's it. Now let's define this dimension. 110 millimeter. 32 millimeter. 29 millimeter. That's it. Now it's time to, even though we can connect from here to here. Now make sure this line horizontal. Okay, this is horizontal. Now if you want to mirror it, so simply what we will do, select these two lines and click here mirror entities. See, it will automatically convert it. That's it. A smart dimension, and let's define the gap. 11 millimeter. Okay. Now let's come to the point here. Here we will make our main geometry. So here we will choose 3-point arc, and I'll make a typical arc. Okay. Line. Escape, right click and move, click line. Even though you can select from here also, let me connect these 2 points. Now here we will create some important relation like parallel, this line and this line perpendicular. That's it. Now even though we can change like this, let's define. Let me keep down this one. Okay. Vertical distance 2 millimeter. And horizontal distance 6 millimeter, and this length, this radius 13 millimeter. Okay, and let me define this gap, and this is 17 millimeter. That's it. Now let me choose what other things balanced. Okay, now define one more relation, equal. Now see, our drawing is fully defined. Now let's come to the next point. Same 3-point arc, line, and this time we will draw a vertical, escape, right click, line, escape. Now first 6 millimeter and the vertical length. Now here they didn't show any vertical length, so we will not define here vertical length, but here we will define angle 17 degree. I'll show you. Now here see, angle here shown 17 degree, 13 millimeter this gap, 6 millimeter this normal distance, and this radius 9 millimeter, outer 29 we already created, and here 23 and here 47. Let's do one thing, connect these two lines. Connect these two lines perpendicular relation. Now one more relations, parallel. That's it. Now this comes in proper position. Now this one, radius, it is shown 9 millimeter, and the gap 13 millimeter. Right click. Now the important relation, let's make these two equal. See, drawing is fully defined. Fillet 23 millimeter. Let me choose this. It is not going because we need to trim this one, so choose trim entities. Trim this also. Just press your left mouse and drag, and it will trimmed. Sketch fillet first 23 millimeter, and we will select these 2 points. Okay, now again change 47 millimeter, and let me choose these 2 points. Okay, now see, now let's arrange the dimensions so that we will easily define the things. Now see here fully defined, but we need to again close these points, so we will use again here 3-point arc. Connect this point to this point, and same here. Now here select this circle. Here you will find center point, hold shift key and select this origin point, merge. Now this is complete circle here. The same for this center point of this arc and center point of this web, merge. Now you will see this is closed geometry. So this is our fully defined sketch. You will see here. Now it's time to extruded boss base. Now in selected contour there are 3 closed geometries, so we will select 1, 2. Thickness shown 5 millimeter. End condition we will keep blind so that it will moves in both sides. Okay. If you saw in drawing, thickness 5 millimeter, and here thickness 5 millimeter, and this thickness 4 millimeter, and corner fillet we will try 2 millimeter. Now again we will use the same sketch. Click on the sketch, extruded boss base. Again same window will pop up, and here we will keep end condition 4 millimeter, mid plane, and selected contour, choose this body. Now you will see proper preview. That's it. Let me define some material so that it looks more visible. Okay. Now here we will choose fillet. It is shown 2 millimeters, so I'll select one edge, and here you will get some more options. So no, not this one. No, not this one also. We want to select only 4 edges, so this one is better option. See. Okay, so that this body will be allocated. See, only this middle body allocated fillet, and even though we will apply a small fillet point 5 millimeter, select top faces, bottom faces. Okay, see, this is how we created a simple spanner in SolidWorks with the help of 2D sketch. Now once we create this simple 3D model in SolidWorks, so let's start to create a 2D file for this one. So simply just drop down this menu and make drawing from part. Once you click, it will divert you in the drawing section, and here we have to select the size of sheet. So I'll choose here B, standard landscape. Now see, in your right hand side you will see multiple number of views, so anyone you have to drag. So I'll choose top plane and I'll drag here. Then if you drag bottom, left, right hand side, if you see isometric view, click OK. Now let me adjust. I'll select first one. Here select import annotations, design annotations, including item from hidden feature. Okay, let me drag this one little down, and the size we will increase. If you come use sheet size or use custom scale, there are many scale. If you choose 1/2, it's become small. So define user defined, and this one use 0.8. Oh, this size is perfect. Okay, now let me choose the second drawing. I'll choose for both hidden line visible. Okay, this one is same. Now the last one, import dimensions and all. Here dimensions are not visible clear, so even you can define a smart dimension. $5mm, and corner fillet, even though we can define from here as 0.5, we selected. Now let me define thickness. Okay, now even though you can select this one and here choose shaded with edge, so that we will get a, and keep image quality higher so that it will get a perfect higher quality image. Okay, so this is the simple way. Now even though you can simply drag and drop the things and make drawing more visible and more That's it. So this is the simple spanner we created in SolidWorks with the help of 2D drawing. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.